Hello dear my students, let's start our computer class. So now open your computer book Cyber Hub page number 10. So today we will learn application software. So what is application software? It is a software used to perform some specific tasks. Paint, Notepad, WordPad and computer games are all application software. So dear my students, these are example of application software. Paint, Notepad, WordPad and computer games. So Paint is used to draw pictures. Paint application software is used to make drawings, or we can make different pictures with the help of Paint software. And Notepad and WordPad used to type text on the computer. So Notepad and WordPad are used to type text on the computer, and computer games are used to playing different games on the computer. Working of a computer. A computer works on the IPO cycle. So IPO means IPO stands for input, process and output. So let us take some daily life examples to understand the IPO cycle. So dear my students, these are input: milk, water, tea powder and sugar. So these are processed here and we get an output, that is tea. Like that, when you want to talk to someone on phone, the input, process and output are as follows. Suppose someone dialed you, so that is input, and it is processed here and you get a call on your mobile, so that is your output. So let's know about input, process and output. Input. The input consists of the data and the commands given to the computer. So input consists of the data and the commands given to the computer. For example, 4, 8 and star. This star is used to multiplication also. Okay. So here 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are data, and this star is an instruction that has to be performed by the computer. So these are input. Then process. The computer accepts the data, examines it and then calculates the results. So this is known as processing. A CPU is also called a processing device. So dear my students, you have to remember CPU is called as a processing device. Okay, because data and instruction are processed by it. The input and instruction are processed as in given picture. Here you see 4 star 8. Here processing occurs. Then output. The result we get after processing is called output. So here processing occurs, then we get the answer 32. So it is our output. Okay. The result we get after processing is called output. Infotech terms. Hardware. Computer parts that can be seen and touched. Software. Computer parts that cannot be seen or touched. Input. Data and instructions given to a computer. Output. Result obtained after processing the data. That is called output. Okay, so dear my students, you read this chapter. Your chapter 1 is complete, so you read this chapter 1. Okay, thank you my dear students.